marks the very last moment of our 30th anniversary celebration. Together, we smiled and laughed. We opened our hearts. We believed in our dreams. We sang, danced, and shared our emotions. Tonight, our celebration comes to an end, but the world will continue to shine brighter. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Ce soir marque les derniers instants de la célébration de notre 30e anniversaire. Ensemble, nous avons ri plus fort, ouvert nos cœurs et poursuivi nos rêves. Nous avons chanté, dansé et partagé nos émotions. Ce soir, notre célébration touche à sa fin, mais grâce à vous, nous vivrons toujours dans un monde qui s'illumine du fond du cœur. Merci.
Look to the sky, hope is all around, and it's about to ignite. It's looking bright, go and let it out. The spark you're feeling inside.
'Cause we're gonna dream a little bigger, laugh a little harder, sing a little louder now. We're gonna dance a little bolder, love a little better. Take my hand, I'll show you how.
The future holds so much more than we've ever seen before. There's something so magical shining from our dreams. And what do you see? Hope is all around, and it's about to ignite. It's looking like go on, let it out. The spark you're feeling inside.
'Cause we're gonna dream a little bigger, laugh a little harder, sing a little louder now. We're gonna dance a little bolder, love a little better. Take my hand, I'll show you how. The future holds so much more than we've ever seen
This is my new wallpaper. I'll send it too.
Thank you for watching. Please consider to support us with a super thanks if you like what we do. This is greatly appreciated and allows us to continue making video for your future enjoyment.